Hi folks, Dr. Leitner here. Welcome to English 102. This video is a short overview of the course and of the Blackboard interface, and I'm going to try to keep it to 2 minutes. So let's get started. The first thing you'll see when you log in are the announcements. There's a couple of announcements there already, so make sure you do read those when you first log in. And I'll announce things. I'll put out announcements once or twice a week. But make sure you're logging into the course every day and checking your email every day. And I'll just go down the left-hand side of the navigation bar here. So instructor information, important, but not something you're necessarily going to check every day. Course information, this is something, a place you're going to go to every day. This has the course introduction video, which you're watching now, course syllabus, which contains all the policies and all the requirements for the course. And by continuing on in the course, you agree to those policies. So make sure you read that carefully and make sure this is the course you want to be in. Course schedule has all the due dates and links to the readings. And finally, all the readings are free for this course. There is no textbook, and they're all available through Creative Commons. And okay, so that's course information. Next is Blackboard system requirements. Make sure your requirements, your hardware and software is compatible with Blackboard and all the projects you need to do. Next is the calendar, and this is where you're going to see due dates for all of your assignments. There's nothing there because I'm logged in as a student preview, but you'll see your assignments there. Discussion board. This is where all the instructions are for the assignments and where you're going to turn work in. So I think that's easy to remember. All the instructions are in the same place where you go to turn things in. So you'll see for DB1, Discussion Board 1, you can see instructions via this link. Next, you'll see My Grades. Okay, there's about 14 grades for the whole course, and here you can see what your grades are, and you can see the rubrics, which are super important. You want to read those before you turn the work in. All right, guys, good luck. Glad to have you aboard, and welcome to English 102.